Ang ingay ng electric fan. Simple. Kailan ako nag-simple? Pasak. Now for my... Sabi sa inyo, simple lang to eh. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Magpapasko na naman. Parang kailan lang, March lang. Ngayon, December na aga. Diyos ko. So, for today's video, I want to do a simple holiday look. Simple? Kailan ako nag-simple? Tingnan natin kung saan mararating kong holiday look. Wala akong plano in mind kung anong gagawin ko. So, let's get started! I already moisturized my face and I use this Jeju Aloe by the Face Shop. So, dumiretso na tayo sa foundation. For foundation, paghahaluin ko to Maybelline Superstay and this Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless Foundation. Siyempre, para full coverage, gagamit ako ng brush. For concealer, I will use this Tarte Shape Tape. To set my face and to add some coverage, I will use this Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation. Ano kaya mga ganap ngayon ng mga tao sa Pasko? Since may pandemic pa. Paano kaya mag-celebrate ng Pasko ang mga Pinoy? Kahit may pandemic. Ako, as usual, kasama kong salubong ng Christmas. Celebrate ako ng Christmas Eve with my friends. Tradition ko na siya for about 4 years. 5 years? 4 years? 5 years? Ilang taon na ba, Nikki? Kasi hindi naman kami pala celebrate ng Noche Buena sa family. Tulog na agad eh. Last year lang hindi natuloy kasi nasa Nueva Ecija kami. So, gagawin ko lang yung brows ko off camera and I'll be right back. Ginawa ko na rin yung other eye off camera. Mukha bang pang Pasko? So, time for the eyes. Siyempre, don't forget to prime your eyelids. And I'm using concealer. Kahit ditong part lang, tapos dito. Kasi, ikakat naman natin yung crease mamaya. This red shade from the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion palette. Para dito sa ibabaw na inner corners ng aking lids. And drag that out sa pinaka-head ng brows. Then, ikakat natin yung crease. Pero bago ko i-cut yung crease, i-wipe ko muna para mas malinis. And this green shade naman para sa aking outer V. And slowly, i-wing out ko siya. And sa kinat nating crease kanina, maglalagay ako ng chunks of big glitters. Lalagyan ka rin ng rhinestone sa inner corners. Perfect. Magta-tightline lang ako and lalagay ko ng falsies and I'll be right back. Now for contour, I will use this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade Confeeerm. Ano favorite ng handa sa Pasko? Ako? Ano ba? Lechon. All-time favorite. Kahit anong okasyon, basta may lechon. Tsaka, buko salad. For nose line, i-connect lang natin siya dito sa red na to. I will carve out that contour with some loose powder and I will use this Nichido Final Powder in Ivory color. Grabe naman tong pimple na to. Kalaki-laki na. Mukhang munal. For blush, light blush lang. So I will use this Bobby Cosmetics in Runway Ready Contour Kit. Light blush. To finish up the eyes, I will use this neon green all over my lower lash line. And this type of green para naman sa outer thirds ng aking lower lash line. For lips, di ko alam kung magla-light ako or ito. Try muna natin to. This L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 368 Matador. Since holiday, maglalagay ako ng glitter sa lips. Ayan, bongga. Para kung minugnog sa glitters. Now for highlighter, I will use this Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the shade Spark. And set everything with some setting spray. There you have it! My Chrismasy makeup look slash holiday glam. Sabi sa inyo, simple lang to eh. Bongga. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas. See you in the next one. Bye!